How to bulk delete emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. This app is the default email client that comes pre-installed on iPhones. It allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place, including iCloud, Gmail, Yahoo, and others. You will then be taken to the inbox page. Over here, you can view the list of your received emails. Now, go to the top right and tap on Select. Then, select the emails you want to delete from here. Or select all the emails if you want to delete all of them. After selecting, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Delete. You have now successfully deleted all the emails in your inbox. Following these steps, you can easily bulk delete emails on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.